For Christmas Eve, and the kids are exchanging their gifts. Elena's opening one from Gavin. Gavin's playing with one Elena got him.
I open it. Okay.
What is it?
Take 2 pieces off here, and you can open the rest.
Okay.
What is it, Elena? Do you know
I
yet?
need to open it all the way.
You need to open it all the way. What did Gavin get you?
And I need to open
Gavin, what did you get your sister?
What is it?
Shrek the Hose.
You have your very own Shrek the Hose. You can watch it whenever you want now.
No.
What do you tell Gavin?
Thanks, Gav. I know I'll take that one for you.
Gavin's still trying to open his.
I know he is.
Maybe we should get it started for him.
No, I need to get started. I feel it.
That is so cool. You're so smart how to open that already.
Be careful, don't break it. Gavin, rip it open. He's got to practice for his very first Christmas.
I brought that.
Elena got you some new bibs, Gav, of all the days of the week. He's like, yay, paper, yay. Aww.
Gavin, you want to bib?
Aw, that's very nice.
The green bib. You like this bib? I know you like it, Bobby. This is for you, Bub. Okay. It's red.
So excited.
I know he's so excited.
Aw, that's very cute.
Yeah!
Give brother a kiss. Aw, that's very nice.
This is for him to not. This is for him to draw.
Mm-hmm.